Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the BTC Hero, which is short for the Bitcoin Hero token. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, January 28th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on the BTC Hero token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the BTC Hero token. Now this is a meme coin. This token is on the Binance Smart Chain. So name of the token is BTC Hero, all one word, and that is also the ticker symbol. So that's how it would be listed on BSC Scan. Now if you look at their BSC Scan right now, they have no pancake swap transactions. It says 8 holders, so this token is not even available on any central exchanges or decentralized exchanges as of yet. Brand new project, 18 decimal places. There is a max total supply of 21 million tokens. So tomorrow, we have January 28th at 13 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search BTC Hero, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, if you want to get involved with a Kickstarter event, go over to @MEXC_official on Twitter. And it says you can vote with MX tokens to share massive airdrops. There's a reward pool of 50,000 USDT. So you can get involved with the Kickstarter event for this project by checking that out there. They most likely retweeted it on this Twitter as well, which is Bitcoin Heroes Twitter. They have the blue verified check mark. 89 tweets on here so far. @BTC_Hero_. It says, Bitcoin Hero will lead Bitcoin to break through $100,000. Now, they have a link to their webpage, as you can see right on this Twitter right here, @btchero.net. 14,500 Twitter followers. So, they have the announcement is one of their most recent tweets about the Kickstarter event on Mexc. So go check out this Twitter there. On their webpage, you're also going to find a Telegram. If you go to @BTC Hero Token on Telegram, they have 6,166 Telegram members. 1,121 of them are online. So that's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more information about BTC Hero, you could chat with others. And there's most likely going to be like new updates on there, like listings on central exchanges and whatnot. Now, if you go to their webpage, btchero.net, there is a button for a chart in the top right-hand corner when this token goes live. Most likely it'll be like a DEX Tools, DEX Screener, one of those types of links, and you'll be able to see how the token is doing. They also have links to their socials, Telegram, Twitter on their webpage, frequently asked questions, their mission, info, all sorts of stuff on here. Your heroic journey starts now. Whether you're a crypto pro or just testing the waters, BTC Hero is your playground in the crypto jungle. Join our wild crew, let your memes loose, and let's dive into the heroic side of crypto together. Who are we? We are Bitcoin Hero, a dynamic team of crypto enthusiasts and meme aficionados on a mission to redefine the crypto experience. Our journey began with a simple yet powerful idea to infuse the exciting world of cryptocurrency with the laughter and creativity of memes. Now it says on their page, 100% Seifu team, 100% base dev. Now, I mean, they're just saying that. Hopefully they have an audit, or they come out with an audit soon, like a full audit and a KYC and all that type of stuff. Do ask me anything, things that actually bring more security instead of just saying, hey, we're 100% safe. I mean, they could be, but who knows, right? Unless they prove it. Prove it. 3 reasons to invest in BTC Hero. Number 1, meme magic and financial thrills. Experience the best of both worlds. BTC Hero combines the power of memes with financial excitement, offering a unique investment opportunity where laughter and profits go hand in hand. Number 2, security you can count on. Your safety is our top priority. With robust blockchain technology and transparent operations, BTC Hero ensures a secure investment environment, giving you peace of mind as you embark on a heroic journey. And number 3, community-driven powerhouse. Join a vibrant community of like-minded heroes. Your investment isn't just financial, it's a stake in the community-driven force where your voice matters and the collective strength propels BTC Hero to new heights. So the BTC Hero, where memes meet momentum. So Bitcoin aims for a $100,000, it says market cap, but that's obviously not market cap, $100,000 like price. It's way over, their market cap's way over $100,000, so somebody needs to fix this on their webpage here. So it says Bitcoin aims for a $100,000 market cap, setting the stage for seismic shifts in the crypto landscape. BTC Hero, riding this wave, emerges as a compelling player in the laughter-infused, meme-powered narrative. Investors drawn to diverse crypto opportunities find BTC Hero's unique blend of memes and financial thrills appealing in this evolving landscape. As Bitcoin surges, BTC Hero stands ready to unleash its own heroic potential, offering an enticing mix of laughter, creativity, and financial adventure. Our mission is simple: to redefine the crypto landscape by infusing joy, creativity, and a sense of community. We believe that financial exploration should be an adventure, and we're here to guide you through it with a smile. So it says, 1 team, 1 mission. Breaking news from the BTC Hero project. Exciting developments as our total coin supply hits 10 million. A resilient 90% LP lock ensures stability, while 10% fuels the dynamic marketing and central exchange initiatives for unparalleled growth. Join us on this heroic journey of reshaping the crypto landscape. So basically that's their token metrics. They're saying is 90% goes to LP, 10% for marketing central exchange listings. And besides that, at the bottom of their page, they said they're doing meme contests. You can also check out their frequently asked questions on here. And it says, stay tuned. There's going to be more news coming in the future. So go check this out, btchero.net. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes in the description box, especially that Mexc global one where this token will be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.